Now let's introduce the operation of Healson convex probe. Take the M40C as an example. Connect the probe to the display terminal via USB cable. Tighten the buckle. Click on the U-probe icon to enter the ultrasound interface. Click OK. Long press the power button of the probe and the green light flashes. Click OK. This is the operation and display interface. Add a new case before image scanning. Click on the Healson button, click on Add. Name, gender, and age are required fields. This information will be displayed above the imaging area. First, select the scanning mode. Take mode B as an example. Select corresponding part. We choose abdominal scene as an example. Apply coupling agent to the probe before scanning. Now we are scanning second porta hepatis. These three presets are for different people. Gen is for general body shape, race is for the thin, pen is for the fat. In B mode, we can adjust the gain by sliding up and down on the left screen. Sliding on the right screen could adjust the scanning depth. Users can also adjust parameter according to their habits. Clicking the snowflake to freeze the image and do the measurement operation. To measure the distance, click on the screen to move the cursor to the starting point, and then click on the screen to move to the end point. The data is displayed at the bottom left. The depth measurement is similar. Touch the screen to move the cursor to the position you want to measure. The measurement data are displayed on the bottom in turn. After the measurement, select the corresponding body mark. You can save the captured image. The following are some basic operations of the color mode. Select seed file. Find the blood vessel, touch the sampling frame, and move to the vessel. The abdominal blood flow is very full. Click freeze, playback function is available. Select the desired image and click the Save button to save the image. After the image scanning, we could edit the ultrasound report. Click the Healson button. Click Review. You can see the information of the cases we created. Click on the corresponding case to preview the images. Support zoom preview. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to enter report editing interface. Click on the image to add it to our report. Click once more to cancel the addition. Click on the ultrasound description area to edit. After editing the description, then edit the diagnostic result. There are report templates for you to choose, and it supports customization. Users can revise it according to their needs. Report templates have some common pathology descriptions. Users can quickly add it to the report and modify. Click on the signature area. For the first time, we need to add the doctor's signature picture. Click Add. The doctor fills in their signature and confirm. Click on the signature to add it to the report. We can print the current report by clicking on the Printer button. Also could save the electronic reports. Choose PDF and saved successfully. Return to our case view interface to view the electronic report. You can zoom in to preview our report. And the electronic report could be shared via Bluetooth, social media, email, etc.